So, hi everybody, welcome. And we are proud to introduce Dr. Rashmi, who is a proud and fit mom of two healthy and happy kids, a doctor by profession, and who followed her passion to be a psychological counselor. She has an experience of 18 plus years in different verticals. She runs her own online family counseling services across the globe. So she can help anyone who is looking for help without any boundaries. And here we are going to talk about de addiction from gadgets. So over to Dr. Rashmi.
So thank you everyone for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for the Karnataka Vedic Society and Association and President and Vice President who are here. And I'm proud to be part of this as well. And thank you once again for each one of you for this wonderful opportunity, and welcome to the program. Today's topic is gadget de-addiction. So let's answer these two questions before we go ahead with the session. How many of you are using gadgets? Can you just raise your hands? Yeah. So how many of you feel you are using gadgets more than you like? The time invested on it. Yes. So thank you so much. So let's keep this as a interactive session. Otherwise, it's going to sound more like a preaching, which none of us enjoy, right? So please unmute yourself when you're talking or when you have to share something. Otherwise, you can keep yourself muted so that nobody else is getting disturbed. So are you all fun for it? Can I expect 100% participation from all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. So how many of you still thinking about your commitments being sitting here? I'm sure you have left so many things behind. Yes. Thank you for that sincere answer, Sapna Sood. I love you for that. Okay. So yes, we all have huge commitments, and at 1 hour in a day is huge time. And thank you so much for being part of this. I assure you, this time is well worth spent with me. Okay. This is my promise to each one of you here. Are you all 100% here now?
Yes.
Can I expect that 100% participation from each one of you here?
Yes. 100%. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So give ourselves a big round of applause for doing that. Yes, it's for you all. For being on time and being here completely, physically, mentally and spiritually. Because when you're doing something full on 100%, you will take away 100%. Otherwise, you're neither there nor here. Yes or no? Okay. So what do you know by the end of the session? You will know why gadget is so addictive. We all know because we are all in that, right? Yes. And you will know how to manage gadget usage, because we can never stop it. Do we all agree? Because we are going to be in this for many more years. I don't know when. There's a lot of uncertainty there. So I'm sure we are all going to be here. So let's, rather than, rejecting it outright and saying, no, it is not working, we are all going to accept it and believe and understand how to manage it, right? So that is what you're going to understand by the end of the session. So are you all game for it?
Yes.
Clap for yourself. One big round of applause for yourself. Okay. So now that we have understood that we are going to be here for 1 hour together, so is it okay if I share a little about myself? Do I have your permission?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I am Dr. Rashmi. I'm a proud and fit mom of two healthy and happy kids. See, that's very important for me. And then I am a doctor by profession, but I went ahead to follow my passion of becoming a psychological counselor. I'm also associated with an NGO which runs a special education school for the past 25 years. So I am associated with them as a family counselor. Okay. I also run my own online family counseling services across the globe, so that anybody who needs help can reach out to me and they can get help with no limits on the boundaries as well. I'm currently following my passion of empowering and enriching families to have a holistic and joyful life. So when I say holistic, it is both physically, mentally, and emotionally, along with spiritual well-being. And please understand, spiritual doesn't mean that it is related to any religion. It is more of your own spirits. You being associated with your own spirit is what I'm focusing on. So with that, I am here to help each and every family who needs help to have this holistic and joyful life. So this is what is all about me. You can track me anywhere on the social media except on the Pond channel, and I'm on my YouTube channel as well, where you can, follow my weekly videos, and I share all my learnings through that. And I have my FB page as well, which is Dr. Rashmi HR, Fitter Body and Mind Leading to Happy You. And you can WhatsApp me on that number 90084666233, and you can follow me on my Insta as well. So now that we all know what are gadgets, right? Can you name few here? What are the gadgets that we are all using at the fingertips?
Phone,
Okay.
laptop, Alexa, TV, remote, Tata Sky. Never
Wow, the list goes on. If I give you 1 hour time also, I think we will not run out of the names here, right? Yes. So I'm not going there. We are all well aware of what are the gadgets and how we use it, when we use it, and how to use it to an extent. I wouldn't say we all know completely. Yes, we know few of it. So what is gadget addiction? So because we all know if people consume something beyond their limits, then it is an addiction. But do we really believe even gadget can be an addiction? If you see, when we say, the minute we say addiction, people think it is alcohol or some drugs. They never think even drinking coffee and tea is an addiction. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes. So when we replace these gadgets in place of drugs or anything, even that is an addiction. So when you have an urge to use the phone or gadgets when you are getting little bored or when you have idle time, that is nothing but addiction, and you have no control on the usage. Okay, you are aware that you're using it, but you want to stop it, but it is not possible. That's when it becomes an addiction. And there is no age limit on the addiction here, because it runs from all age groups and it runs on all races. Okay, and why is it that we are worried about the addiction? Is it affects your mental, physical and emotional well-being, which is very, very important for us to be performing 100%.